Yeah.
So you have a new song,
Yeah.
a very dope song.
Yeah.
Baishu. First of all, what is Baishu? What is Baishu?
Funny enough, Baishu is actually it was inspired from si tukikuwa watoto tulikuwa tunaimanga zile mchezo za Baishu. Like the name doesn't even mean anything. It's just a name you can refer to your baby. They say people wanaitanga wapenzi wao mpoa, nguna, my love, my darling. It's a word you can call the person you love. So that's what Baishu for me means. You understand? The song is a love song. Imeandikia mwanamke mrembo, mwanamke akona hizo qualities ambazo ziko kwa ngoma. People should go and listen to the song more to understand what I'm talking about. But it's basically a love song. Mtu yote ambaye ako in love, mtu yote ambaye anapenda kupendwa, mtu ambaye anaamini mambo ya mapenzi. The song for you, man. Go check it out. Make sure mnaangalia, mna share, mna subscribe. Alafu